Sa video na to, magpo-food trip tayo sa ilalim ng eroplano. Tara, samahan niyo ako. So, pupunta tayo ng Pattaya ngayon. Pupuntahan natin yung walking street na sikat at pupuntahan natin yung mga isa bang food trip sa Pattaya. So, sobrang excited kami pumunta, sobrang excited kami magbakasyon. So, let's see kung ano adventure pupunta natin. Let's go! So, nasa airport tayo ngayon. It's already 10:22. Ang flight na 10:22 PM, ang flight natin is ano pa, check-in 4 PM pa. So, after 4 hours, let's see kita natin sa Thailand. Let's go. So, nasa hotel na tayo. Tara, tignan natin. Excited na ako. Let's go. Grabe. Kita niyo yan? Yung view namin, no? Sheesh. Apakaganda. Beachfront, oh. Ucha. Ganda. Let's go. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito, my God, friends. Sobrang ganda ng beach sa Pattaya. Yung hotel na pinupuntahan namin ngayon, katabi lang niya yung beach. Like, sobrang lapit lang. Tapos, ang ganda ng beach. And then, malapit kami sa Oxygen, yung isa sa sikat na tourist destination dito. Premium talaga yung premium yung hotel dito. Sobrang ganda, sarap mo-explore. Kita yung sa likod namin, yan. Yan yung hotel namin. So ngayon, papunta tayo sa beach and we're going to explore the beach. Tignan natin kung anong meron sa beach at let's see what we can find out and let's have fun. Let's get some shot and let's explore the place. Let's go, let's go.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
It's like 80 degrees.
yeah. Oh,
My good friend Ray. Say hi, Ray.
hi.
Here comes Ray. The girls are working. We're gonna do a little boat ride. Over
Yes,
there.
sir. Let's go.
How do you say koa? Koa? Kola.
Koala.
Kola. So we're heading over to that island.
So, muna tayo sa island, there. You see it?
Is this
You have to go there.
That's cool.
It gets different angle. Oh my God, this place is different.
It's like kids' paradise.
Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. You see that? It's so nice. Everything here is so fine and so beautiful. The sun is so nice. Make it short. Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's have a bit drink.
We did a boat ride. You guys are in the spa, hopefully, or on your laptop.
Yeah. You should go with us.
Yeah, you should have stuck with us. The water is like so clear, it's pathetic.
Everything here is so beautiful.
It's beautiful.
The sun is so fine, my God. You're gonna love here. Natry nyo na ba mag-food trip sa ilalim ng aeroplano? Mamaya punta tayo sa Pattaya Night Market. Isa sa pinakamalaking night market at meron doon na isang malaking aeroplano. I think it's an Airbus. So let's explore the food, variety of cuisine, and let's enjoy the place. Welcome to Pattaya. Natry nyo ba mag-food trip sa ilalim ng Airbus? Alam mo yung Airbus? Ano? Ito sa Pattaya, isa sa pinakamalaking plane, Airbus, retired Airbus, na nasa gitna ng night market. Ito, order tayo ng mixed meat. This is beef. And also this is pork. So, pinili natin vermicelli. Nanghingi tayo ng suggestion kung ano masarap. So, sabi ni ate, pwede daw vermicelli, pero siya na daw bahala sa sauce. So, in order ko, both beef and pork. So, pinaprepare na ni ate. Nilagyan na niya ng vermicelli. Tapos, slice of beef. Lalagyan na siya ng beef. And then, the slice of pork. It's okay for me if you have this. I like this part. The meat, the gelatinous part is nice. Yeah. It's a pork. Pork, right? So, nalagay na si ate ng pork. Tapos, what's this? Oil? Garlic oil? Oh, sugar. Oh, yeah. Simple sugar. Naglagay na siya ng scallion. Tapos, I think that's the garlic. Yeah. You put it. I don't know what's that, pero mukhang spicy at mukhang masarap. Ha? A blood? Ah, a blood. Okay, it's okay. Oh, it's a pork blood. Yeah. So they add the blood.
You like spicy or anything ingredient?
Oh, I'll put it here. Okay. Mayroon silang condiments dito. So, nang bahala. Oh,
This one.
hot. Okay. Thank you. Oh my God. So this time, lagyan lang tayo ng mga condiments. Tignan natin kung anong magugustuhan natin. Pero iba-ibang spiciness, bahala na tayo maglagay. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. So dito, maglagay na tayo ng condiments. Naglagay na ako ng chili. Kumuha pa tayo sa chili kasi Pilipino tayo. Yan. Sarap. And then, meron silang peanut, just in case you want peanut. Shredded peanut. Tapos, meron sila ditong holy basil. Lagay tayo ng basil, siguro mga ilan lang. O, marami masyado. Konti lang. Lagay tayo ng konting basil. Let's try it. Let's put few basil here. Yeah. Then, I think that's enough. Let's dig in. So, I like to try first a vermicelli. So, tingnan natin. Halawin na ako. Masarap siya. So, tingnan naman natin yung broth. So, yung broth niya, parang may beef broth tapos may blood sauce. May blood. So, niluto lang nila. So, tingnan natin yung broth. Oh my God. Sarap. Yung creaminess ng blood, yun yung nagbibigay ng sarap ng pagkain eh. Pwede pala yun, na fresh blood tapos lalagay mo na sa broth. Nagiging creamy yung pagkain, napakasarap na. Oh my God. So, let's try this again. Try natin yung laman loob ng baboy. This one. See? Laman loob. Tikman natin. Well, cooks well.
Fish looks good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh, yes.
You should try it.
Good. I got a lobster tail and some mussels.
Woo. That's nice. So let's try this. Oh my God. It's good. Especially with the basil. Napaka malasa niya. Sarap, grabe. It tastes good. If you like noodles, oh my God. This is perfect. Soup tsaka noodles. This is what you go. This is what you're aiming for. Thank you.
Thank you, ha.
Tara, tikman natin itong grilled squid na binili sa Thailand. Ang grabe. Pag sinabi niya ng spicy, very very spicy. Pero masarap. Promise masarap siya. So we're on our way to Walking Street. It's my first time there. So let's see what we're going to find out. Ganito kasarap gumising sa umaga pag ganito ang view mo. Oh my gulay. Kitang-kita mo yung buong Thailand, oh. Oh my God. 180-degree view. Woo! Pinakamalaking river nila. Nandito kami sa pinakamataas na floor ng Thailand para sa mga room. Let's go! Say hi! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Thailand. Bumili tayo ng grilled, parang kinilaw sa Seafood Street. So excited ako, tikman natin, tara. So halo-halo to, malalaking squid, tapos may pig trotters or tenga ng baboy. So tikman natin. Anghang? Shit! Parang manghang ta. Masasabit na naman ito, ah.
Bumili ka muna ng juice.
Ha?
Bumili ka muna ng juice.
Hindi, okay lang. Amoy pa lang, amoy chili na sobrang lakas ng amoy ng chili, pero for the vlog, kain tayo, try natin. So tignan muna natin yung squid. Yung squid niya is steam lang nila, so hindi overcook. Okay? Tikman natin with the sauce. Vinegary, may sili. Parang siyang kinilaw na squid, pero yung squid ito niluto. I like the texture kasi crunchy. Tapos yung cilantro nagbibigay ng fresh sa bibig. Kuha tayo ng malaking piece, mukhang masarap to eh. Yan. So, tikman natin itong tenga ng baboy. Let's go. Oh, masarap siya kasi bakit? Yung tenga ng baboy, although blanch lang siya, well seasoned eh. Same din ng squid. Same ng squid, although binlanch lang sila, well seasoned eh. Tapos tikman natin yung suka niya, kung kumusta yung suka nila. Oh. Hindi ako natuto. Antanda ko na. So, yung suka nila, well seasoned, masarap. But be careful, sobrang anghang. Hindi para sa may tummy. Sobrang anghang pero sobrang sarap. So gusto ko siya kasi yung squid blanch. Yung squid na to blanch. Tapos yung pork na tenga blanch din, well seasoned. Bagay doon sa acidity ng vinegar. Sobrang sarap, parang I like it, it's good. Oh. But I like it.